All right, so the Nooie Cam Outdoor, thinking that's about what it looks like. Proud partner of Amazon Web Services. There's kind of another diagram. Nooie.com, full HD 1080p video, waterproof, motion detection, two-way audio, cloud and store locally, night vision. Nooie, always be there. And in the back, this is the model IPC 200, FCC ID, input 5 volts, 1 amp. Compatibility with Android 4.4 higher or iOS 8.0 or higher, the location where it's made. So let's open this up, cut this plastic real quick. That one was easy. And Nooie, always be there. Nooie Cam Outdoor. So this is like the instruction booklet. Yeah, app download, ways to set it up, etc., etc. Very cool. Now, looks like this is, oh, whoa, this actually plugs in. Okay, a little different than I thought. Okay, so this is the camera. There was a sticker on there. I accidentally pulled it off. But there's still a sticker there covering the main lens. So this cable's not removable. That's one thing to note, but very nice mount here. Wow, it looks like a very nice camera. Well, that's it for the box. Yep, let's set this here and get into this. That's it for that box. So, a very long looking USB cable to plug in with, always very good. And the camera itself looks very nice and very sleek. So we also have an included travel charger to plug in our USB cable. This seems to be screws and mounts for mounting this, as well as holding down some of the extra cable. And this seems to be the main mount. So this part goes to the wall, put your 2 screws in, and then this part's able to twist onto here, like so, to mount the camera. So, no battery to charge or anything like that. This may become my new office camera or something, since, you know, it's gotta be hardwired. I don't know, we'll have to see.